Hi, welcome back to Joe Blogs, and this video is part 2 of the shares that I bought on September the 3rd. I bought 10 shares and I'm making 2 videos just to split them up to make it a bit shorter for everybody to watch. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you the second 5 shares that I bought. If you haven't seen the first video, then you need to stop this video and go and watch that one first because it gives you all the background as to what I'm doing. I'm using artificial intelligence to try to beat the markets. I've been doing it for the last few months. It's been going quite well, and I thought I'd make a video documenting what I'm doing so that you can share the journey with me and see whether or not I make a load of money or is I lose all of my cash. So it'll be amusing either way, whatever happens from your point of view, because you've got no risk. And as I said in the first video, if you like this sort of video, if you'd like to see me making more, then please subscribe, please hit the like button, and also drop me a comment, because that's the easiest way for me to work out whether or not I should continue making videos like this, or if I just decide to abandon it and go and talk about Russia again. But I like to expand the different types of videos that I'm making, so please support me in this venture. Even if you're not interested in the stock market, it will be amusing to see whether or not I can pull this off. So we talked about the first 5 videos in the first 5 stocks that I bought in the first video. And in this video, I'm going to give you the second 5. So the first one is ServiceNow, which has a ticker of NOW. It's listed on the New York Stock Exchange, and it's an enterprise cloud platform for workflow automation. So IT, HR, security. And the exciting angle, what I'm trying to do is work with companies that have potential for large upside in a short space of time, because artificial intelligence and biotech and those sort of things are really flavor of the month right now. So if a company comes out and shows that it's actually harnessing the power of AI, or it's utilizing it, or it offers the opportunity to offer the market some sort of benefits, then we're seeing some really interesting price increases. And the exciting angle for ServiceNow is that it's integrating AI co-pilots into workflows through its Now Assist brand to boost productivity, and is positioned as the AI-powered enterprise OS. So that's an exciting potential that ServiceNow has. The next stock that I bought was Oracle Corp, ORCL as the ticker. It's also listed on the New York Stock Exchange, and it's enterprise software, databases, and cloud infrastructure. And the exciting angle for Oracle is that it's partnered with NVIDIA and Cohere to expand AI cloud capacity. And on September the 9th, earnings will highlight AI-driven demand. So clearly we've got something coming up soon that could boost the share price, or it could absolutely tank depending on what that statement says. So that'll be an exciting day for me. The third stock of the second half is Marvel Technology Inc., MRVL, which is listed on NASDAQ. It's got nothing to do with the Marvel franchise or Marvel movies, if you're interested in that world. It's actually a semiconductor company for networking, storage, 5G, and AI data centers. And the exciting angle for Marvel is that it supplies chips powering AI data centers. So it works with NVIDIA ecosystem, and analysts forecast strong AI-linked revenue growth. So that's the hope for Marvel, is that the AI link boosts the share price. The fourth share in the second half of this video is Synopsys, which is listed on NASDAQ with the ticker SNPS. It's a semiconductor design software, chip IP, and security tools business. And the exciting angle for it is that it's a key enabler of AI chip design. So the next earnings statement is also on September the 9th, and that could show more AI-driven boost and recently hit new highs on its AI strength. So Synopsys has been doing well. Let's hope it continues doing well. And then the final share that I've purchased out of the 10 I bought today is Teradyne, which has the ticker of TER. It's also listed on NASDAQ. And this is a semiconductor testing equipment and industrial automation business. So we're talking robots here, very exciting, very space age. And the exciting angle is that demand for Teradyne's testers rise with every AI chip surge. Robotics arm adds extra growth optionality. So we've got, as well as AI, we've also got the option of robots boosting the price. So they're the 5 shares in the second half of this video. Now, in terms of the price that I paid for those shares, so you can check how I get on, because I'm posting this real time, so there's no guarantee that I'm going to make any money. I could lose all of the money I've put into these shares, but let's see. So Service now, I paid $906.31 for those shares. Oracle, I paid $224.09. Marvel, I paid $63.42. Synopsys, $589.68. And Teradine was $121.06. So they're the 5 shares that I bought in this part of the video. But as I said in the previous video, the reason why I bought 10 shares is to give me portfolio balance. You need to make sure that you've bought into enough different stocks to cover yourself if one of them absolutely tanks. And in my previous experience over the past few months of following this methodology and using an AI algorithm to try to find shares that are firstly doing well and have the potential to do well in a short space of time, you need to cover yourself for any potential losses. So what I've found is that out of the 10 that I've been buying previously, 1 or 2 of them will drop in price significantly. So I've seen 30 and 40% falls in some share prices, but I've also seen 70, 80, 90% rises in other shares, and that's more than offset the losses. And overall, over the past few months, I've been making double-digit returns in the month. So not double-digit in the year, in the month. And obviously, if I managed to do that every month, then I would have more than 100% growth over the course of a full year. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to make this video and share it with you, really just to tell you what I'm doing, talk to you about AI, because obviously we hear a lot about AI, and I think sometimes we just assume that it's just all about ChatGPT and students writing better essays and not having to do any work or any research. They just put something into ChatGPT and it spills out an essay for them, and then they go back to the bar and carry on drinking. But it's not just about ChatGPT. There are lots and lots of benefits, and I think investing is potentially something really exciting if it works. So you can follow me on this experiment, see how I get on. You've got the notes of what I paid for all these shares, so you'll be able to see whether or not I make any money. I'll post a follow-up if I decide to exit from any of the shares, but as it sits at the moment, I'm intending to hold all of these stocks through to the end of September and then do a similar thing at the beginning of October. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give me a like, subscribe, drop me a comment, and just generally say hello to me and tell me the sort of videos that you'd like to see. Apologies for the frog in my throat. Sometimes that happens when I'm making these videos. But thank you for watching this video all the way through to the end, and I will see you on the next.